Hello grade 10 learners, let this video guide you in understanding Module 4B with the topic Determining Geometric Means of a Geometric Sequence. Geometric means are the terms between two non-consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. So let's say for example we have 5, 15, 45, 135, and 405. So we say that 15 is the geometric mean between 5 and 45. O kaya naman, 45 and 135 are the geometric means between 15 and 405. Pwede rin namang 15, 45, and 135 are the geometric means between 5 and 405. So how do we find the geometric means between given two terms of a geometric sequence? Let's have the first example. Insert one geometric mean between 16 and 25. So, bago natin sagutan ito, kailangan nating i-lista muna yung given para mas ma-visualize natin. Okay, so ibig sabihin, we have here 16, then maglalagay tayo ng isang term after 16 and then 25. So, isang geometric mean lang ang hinahanap natin. So, kapag isang geometric mean lang ang hinahanap, we may use this formula. So, to find the one geometric mean, that is simply get the product of the given two terms and then kunin ang square root. So, applying this formula to this problem, we have the geometric mean is equal to, so pag ang pinag-uusapan ay square root, pwede siyang positive root or negative root. Kaya meron tayong plus minus dito sa unahan. So, we have positive, negative, square root of, kunin natin yung first term and that is 16 times yung last term na given, 25. Dalawang terms lang naman ang given. So, multiply nyo lang sila. And the answer is 400. Then, kunin natin ang positive and negative square root ng 400 and that is 20. So, the geometric mean is positive 20. Pwede rin namang negative 20. So, dalawa ang pwedeng maging geometric sequence na mabuo natin. First is by using positive 20. So, we have 16, 20, 25. And using negative 20, we have 16, negative 20, 25. Next example. Insert two geometric means between negative 3 and negative 24. Ilista muna natin ang given para mas ma-visualize natin. So, we have negative 3 is the first term. Then, lagay tayo ng dalawang blank spaces para sa dalawang geometric means na ilalagay natin sa in between the negative 3 and negative 24. Okay? Now, hindi na natin pwedeng gamitin yung naunang formula kanina kasi dalawang geometric means na ang hinahanap natin. So, what we need to do is we need to find the value of the common ratio. Ano yung number na i-multiply natin kay negative 3 to get the next term hanggang makarating tayo kay negative 24. So, to find the common ratio, gagamitin natin ang general term of the geometric sequence na napag-aralan natin in Module 4A. And that is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. So, para gamitin ang general term or formula, first, we need to identify the values of a sub 1 and n and a sub n. R is as is lang kasi siya yung hahanapin natin. So, ang a sub n natin would be the last term of the given sequence. So, since nalista na natin kanina, our a sub n is negative 24 equals a sub 1 is the first term of the geometric sequence and that is negative 3. Ang r ay r pa rin kasi ito yung hahanapan natin ng value. At ang n natin ay 4. Kasi, ang position ni negative 24 is ika-fourth term siya. So, first, second, third, fourth term. Pwede rin namang bilangin nyo kung ilang terms ang kabilang dito sa geometric sequence natin. So, pareho lang din naman yon. So, our n is 4 and then minus 1. After identifying the values of a sub n, a sub 1, and n, so substitute natin siya doon sa ating formula. So, ito na yung next nating step. And then, isimplify natin. So, simulan natin with the exponent of r. So, magiging negative 24 equals negative 3 r cubed na lang siya kasi 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now, ang target natin ay we solve for r. So, para ma-eliminate natin or ma-cancel out natin itong negative 3 na coefficient or kasama ni r cubed, we need to divide both sides by negative 3. So, negative 3 r cubed divided by negative 3. So, this is equal to 1. So, cancel out na lang natin. So, may iwan na lang ang r cubed. And then, negative 24 sa left side naman of the equation, negative 24 divided by negative 3 is equal to positive 8. So, ang naiwan na lang sa atin ay 8 equals r cubed. Now, to solve for r, kunin natin ang cube root ng both sides of the equation. So, ano yung cube root ng 8? Ano yung number na kapag tatlong beses minultiply sa sarili niya, ang sagot ay 8. So, in that case, our r is equal to 2. So, eto, cube root of r cube, makakancel out na natin to. So, r na lang may iwan. And then, cube root of 8, yun nga, ano yung number na 3 times ginamit in multiplication na ang sagot ay 8. And that is 2 kasi 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So, the common ratio is 2. So, anong purpose ni common ratio na 2? So, yun ang gagamitin natin to find the geometric means. So, we have negative 3 times the common ratio na 2, that is negative 6, times the common ratio na 2, negative 12, times the common ratio na 2, and that is negative 24. So, nakarating tayo kay negative 24. Therefore, the two geometric means between negative 3 and negative 24 are negative 6 and negative 12. Last example. Insert 3 geometric means between 5 and 1,280. Again, ilista muna natin yung given. So, maglaan tayo ng 3 spaces to represent yung tatlong geometric means na insert natin between these two terms. So, ang gagamitin ulit natin is the general term of the geometric sequence. Hanapin natin ang common ratio. Again, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. So, again, ang a sub n natin would be the last term of the given sequence, and that is 1,280. A sub 1 is the first term, and that is 5. R as is, kasi siya yung hahanapan natin ng value. At ang n natin ay 5, kasi ang position ni 1,280 ay ika-fifth term siya. So, first, second, third, fourth, fifth term siya. O kaya naman, pwede rin, bilangin nyo na lang kung ilan yung terms na nakapaloob dito sa sequence natin. So, 5. Pareho lang din naman yun. Okay, after identifying the values, next is we substitute. So, ito na yung next step. And then, simplify. So, simplify muna natin yung ating exponent. So, we have 1,280 equals 5 times r raised to the 4th power kasi 5 minus 1. Ngayon, ang target natin ay maiwan si r raised to the 4th power on one side of the equation. Kaso, meron siyang kasamang 5 or may coefficient siyang 5. So, para cancel out natin yan, so we divide both sides by 5. So, ito, pag dinivide natin by 5, this is equal to 1 na lang. So, hindi naman natin sinusulat yung 1 na dito, no? So, ang maiwan na lang ay r raised to the 4th power. And then, 1,280 divided by 5, and that is equal to 256. So, r raised to the 4th power is equal to 256. Now, ang target natin ay r lang. Meron siyang exponent na 4. In that case, we need to find the 4th root of each side of the equation. So, 4th root of r raised to the 4th power and fourth root of 256. Paano nalalaman kung anong root yung hinahanap natin? So, nakadepende siya sa exponent ng r. So, halimbawa, kapag after solving, nakarating ka ng r raised to the 9th power. So, to solve for r, you get the 9th root. So, yung root na hahanapin natin, nakadepende dun sa exponent ni r. Okay? So, in this case, ang exponent niya ay 4, so 4th root. Pag ang exponent niya ay 5, 5th root. Pag ang exponent niya ay 8, 8th root ang hahanapin natin. Okay, so this is equal to r na lang. So, we get the 4th root of 256. Ano yung number na 4 times ginamit sa multiplication na ang sagot ay 256? So, the 4th root of 256 is 4. Positive, negative 4. Bakit siya naging positive, negative? Tandaan po, kapag even ang index natin, dalawa ang roots niya. It's either positive or negative. So, since ang index natin dito ay 4, and 4 is an even number, kaya ang root natin ay positive, negative. So, dalawa ang common ratio natin. Pwedeng positive 4 and pwedeng negative 4. So, paano natin makukuha yung geometric means? So, kung ang gagamitin natin ay na common ratio ay positive 4, ito ang magiging geometric means niya. So, since ang given natin ay 5, ang first term ay 5, times the common ratio 4, we have 20, times 4, 80, times 4, 320, times 4 is equal to 1,280. So, nakarating tayo sa last term. So, tama yung sagot natin. So, the geometric means are 20, 80, and 320 kung ang gagamiting common ratio ay positive 4. Paano kapag ang common ratio na gagamitin natin ay negative 4? So, this would be our answers. So, 5 times negative 4. So, magkaiba na ng sign. So, the answer is negative 20. Times negative 4. So, pareho na ng sign. Parehong negative. So, ang sagot nyo magiging positive. So, positive 80 ang next. Then, 80 times negative 4 is negative 320 times negative 4 ay 1,280. So, kung maalala ninyo, no, kapag ang common ratio ay negative, alternating dapat ang sign. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Happy learning!